This is a 1980 Volvo Coupe, and that's about all I know about this thing. I am not up on my Volvos, and I think this is probably the first time I've ever seen one of these in a junkyard. From what I hear, this thing was like built by Bertone. That's what I was reading online. Try to do a little bit of research on it because I have no idea what is that this crown here emblem, is that for that company or is that Volvo? I'm not sure, man. Forgive me because I just don't know. Pretty sure the wheels aren't original to the car. Yeah, I mean, she's held up pretty well, actually. She's held up pretty well. I don't want to get bit by or stung by one of those. Let's see if I can. Damn it, couldn't get it. I have to wait here. Anyways, back to my little mini review here. What I know about these things. So yeah, from what I know, it's a 1980. That's what it says there. And yeah, some mileage on that. See that? Yeah, it's a pretty cool looking vehicle, though, man. You know. Power locks, power windows, passenger heat seat. Look at that, seat heat. Well, got a heater on the seat for the passenger. I'm assuming they would have one for the driver. I don't see where though. Your floor, defrost, recirculate for your AC and heat, fan, air conditioning. Yeah, it's your lighter here. Not much with some fuses, whatnot, and your ashtray. There's nothing in there. I looked already. Here it is, Coupe. It's crown again. Like I said, I'm not up on the Volvos, man. Forgive me. You know, we got no vanities here. There was a vanity mirror on this side. If I can't open it now, though. Here's your Volvo radio. Yep. That's still there. Your Topo Chico, I believe that's Mexican, like mineral water or something. Odds and ends stuff in here. Got your Chiltons, 7089. Yeah, they bought this thing. Yeah, they bought this thing what, 8 years ago at what's that, at the half price books for $328. There's something I thought was kind of neat. It says here, we feature no smoking cars. I like that. It's pretty neat. I've never seen that. I honestly have never seen that before. It's broken, but I might just let's take that. That's pretty neat. But you got your ashtray here. Seatbelt sign there. I'm not sure what that is. Handbrake. Yeah. Here's something I found neat on it. I got the keys here, right? If I can open and get the keys out, right? I see this. I didn't see the keys first, right? I saw this thing sitting on the floor, which appears to be some type of, I'm going to say maybe it's some type of alarm or something. I'm not sure what this is, but I noticed on here it says snap on, right? And then when I looked at the key, see the other part of it right there. So it's like a deal where you can connect them together. Like that. I'd never seen that before. Didn't know that Snap-on made that. So yeah, that's nice. Pretty cool. But anyways, that's all your fuses here. I've seen this style on the BMW that I got. This thing right here, I like this this little handle here to pull for the to open the hood. Like that. But the seats, as you can see, they're This one's pretty rough. Manual. I think it would have been, you know, probably electric, but no, they're manual. If I can, where's that? Oh, right here. Yeah, sorry. There it is. Nothing there. Hey, we got a Bilstein, man. That's quality stuff right there. Headliner. Actually, the headliner outside of that area right there, that's not, I don't think that's part, no, that's not even part of the headliner. Headliner has, yes, it's not, it's actually in decent shape. There's your light there. Nice. I caught a bit of room back here. Kind of a neat, odd looking car. Look at that. It was assembled in Italy. Manufacturer of Volvo. I got the key, right? Oh, let me get the key. Open that trunk. Don't forget my snap-on freaking screwdriver, which I have no idea where I found. Not there. It says here, Stadium of Arlington. And in the trunk, seems like some extra tail lights, distributor cab, random stuff to the car. I thought this was pretty neat. There you can control the, I guess the amount of light on your, you know, back here for your trunk. That's neat. Yeah. How to use the jack. Yeah. I'll tell you, the stuff opens and closes solid on this car. She's got some rust right there, though. Trim looks to be, for the most part, okay. And man, she seems probably would assemble pretty well. Not 100% sure, because I mean, like I said, I don't know Volvo like that, or this other company, Bertone. Italian company. From when I looked online, they had it's kind of solid down there. It's like they were a styling company, coach building or something like that. Yeah. Take a look under the hood. And that is, I don't know what that is. 174 cubic inches. 6C engine family, and it does say 1980. Yeah. Rotating fan, yeah. AC system manufactured by Volvo, and I'm going to assume that's the VIN on it. Yeah, neat. Oh, it's got a GM compressor on it though. So it does have an American product, I guess. Interesting. Oh, there's your. Yeah. Neat. It's like a solid car, man. I'm not gonna lie. Vacuum routing. Who knows what was there? Yep. Solid looking car. Well, there she is, man. I don't know what else to say about her, but you know, I just thought I wanted to get a quick video of it, just to say here. It says Texas State Trooper Association, 1990. I don't know, something booster. So they were pro state troopers here in Texas. Last on the road, 2003. So, all right, man. That's gonna do it on this one. I'm like I said, just wanted to get a quick video on it.